Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn on Active Armor on an iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Active Armor app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. When the app opens, it will ask for permissions to block spam calls, show caller ID, or send notification. Tap Allow for all permissions so the app can work properly. On the home screen, tap on Call and Text at the bottom of the screen. From here, find spam call blocking or call protection. Tap the switch to turn it on. When the switch on screen, spam call protection is active. Now open iPhone settings app on your phone and tap on phone. After that, scroll down and tap on call blocking and identification. Find Active Armor and turn the switch on. These steps make sure Active Armor works fully on our iPhone. And that's it. Once turned on, Active Armor works in the background, protecting your iPhone automatically. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.